Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm here with Golden again.
And you're Silver, but when are we going to start another video when it's even tomorrow? I'm going to be grumpy, so don't matter. We're not going to do another videos until nighttime now.
Then I'll do it without you. Alright, so we're gonna start the video by looking for some prey.
Or looking from Sir Not Prey.
Not prey. Sure, I don't care. Let's talk to Roseheart.
Oh, I have to pick.
Today's a boring day. Haven't seen anything happen at all.
I want to talk to the pink one.
Fine, we can talk to the pink one too. If anything interesting happens, I'll let you know.
Why do they do the same thing?
Because there's nothing interesting happening. We need to eat before we die. Let's go, and hello and welcome. This glorious banquet before you is ThunderClan's fresh kill pile. You may purchase food from me. Also, at any time, if you lay down a dead creature from the pile, I will take it and reward you with 2 reputation. And I'm gonna
Are we still the blue
Alright,
cat?
yeah, where's the blue cat? The Thunderstorm.
Wait a second, you said we would do the goat cat.
There's no golden cat.
There's a goat cat living there.
Oh, you want to be Shine Fur?
Yeah.
You can't be Shine Fur.
Why?
Because that would be weird.
Why?
Imagine a duplicate of Shine Fur running around the camp just like, hey, Bramblekit, what do you need? Yeah, I'm Shine Fur. Looking for comfrey. I don't want to look for comfrey plants.
Comfrey cat. Tell the guard.
We already talked to the guard.
No, the one, and say, can you say that? Why is there so many trees? I want to go back to my camp and I want to find all the clues every day.
The clues? What?
Clues every day.
I don't even know what he's talking about half the time. Ooh, a pebble.
Near. I am Iron Man. Near. Iron Man.
You're not.
I'm not Iron Man.
No.
I am Iron Man.
Wait.
Wait.
Iron Man. I saw comfrey. That's comfrey, right? Yeah. It looks like comfrey. How do we get there? What is this? What is this? Can we go through the river? Why can't we go? Ow!
Sorry. Why can't we not go?
It's a shiny thing! Let's get that. So if we go... Oh, we can go this way. Oh my. What was that?
Oh my... Really?
You can't get me!
Yeah, you're in a
Oh no!
You can't get me! We're on the other side, aren't we?
Yep. Let's take this pebble. I don't know. I want them. So we got some comfrey right here. This must be comfrey because it's near the gorge. That's the gorge because the waterfall and stuff. Comfrey plant, yeah.
There's another one.
But we only need one. I don't know. Oh no.
When are we going to eat? Hey,
we did eat at the camp.
There was 2 blue cats. Which one was ours?
This one called Thunderstorm.
I named it Thunderstorm.
Yeah, we know. Okay, let's get back to the camp. Let's not take that one because our health is really low and we need to drop off some stuff at the camp so we can buy some herbs. Oh, yeah. Here's your comfrey. Oh, you need goldenrod now? That's nice. So I think we could give this shiny thing to someone. Who should we give it to? Stop doing that.
Hey, Frodo.
Which should we give the shiny thing to one of these guys?
that guy.
We can't give it to Maple Stripe
Why?
because we can't. We can give it to Breeze Whisker or Birch Nose.
Breeze Whisker.
Breeze Whisker. Okay. That's very nice of you. So we can give someone else these 2 pebbles, or we can keep them for ourselves.
Pebble. I want to give the pebble to this guy.
We can't give it to Bolt Whisker.
What about this guy?
We can't give it to Preyheart.
What about this guy?
Yeah, we can give it to her. Do you want to give both of the pebbles to her?
Yep.
There. Okay.
What can we give to the black guy?
We can't give them to the black guy.
What about the other guy?
Nope.
What about this guy?
Nope.
What about this guy?
Nope.
What?
Oh, hello, youngins. I'm Elder Knight Feather. I'm the keeper of the bonus coins around here. And also your bonus coin for only 20 reputation. Only 20 reputation. We have 5, so... yeah, no thanks. No thanks, dude. What do we don't have enough? Golden's officially insane. Golden, will you stop it? Okay. So she wants goldenrod, right? No? Right? Yeah. There.
Nope.
She wanted it, so yeah. So yeah, not today. Okay. Some of our warriors just returned from the fight. No, not gold. Not comfrey again. Oh, goldenrod. I can do that one. We can get some goldenrod. Oh, more goldenrod. That's nice. Let's take this goldenrod and deliver it to Snowheart.
Can we say to somebody that we were the silver cat? See one of the guards that we were the silver cat?
Who?
One of those guys that we were the silver cat?
Don't know. Okay, more goldenrod. You don't need any more goldenrod. You don't. You don't. You don't. You don't. Why? Oh, okay. Oh, what to do? What to do? Lightning Paw, one of the apprentices, was wounded when he fell on the great sycamore, and he has a cut across his belly from a branch that scraped him. It's infected and getting worse by the hour. I need some horsetail, and fast! Think you can handle it? Horsetail usually grows in marshy areas. Spooky. Spooky, scary,
And not night to save the day.
Okay then. But it's night now, and we're gonna let Lightning Paw, suffer for a while. Oh, that sounds so bad. But Lightning Paw, you just have to do that while we sleep. Let's sleep. Snooze. What do you guys have to say, Smooth? Hey, before she says dot 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 hi. So I think we should. Oh, hey.
Hey, why are you going in my business?
Hey, I'm not giving up today. Let's see what the guards have to say today. Who do you want to ask?
Can we say that we were the silver kitten?
What? Anyways, who should we ask?
Who
should we ask?
This guy. But no, but can we tell her that we are the silver cat?
If anything interesting happens, I'll let you know. We can't tell her anything.
Why?
Oh, Brighttail, hi. So, the marshy area. I don't think we're in ThunderClan anymore.
Why?
Oh no, it's a dog.
Why? Why do dogs chase us?
I don't know.
Why do dogs chase stupid looking cats?
Oh!
What?
It's the camp. I think. I mean, this is what the ThunderClan camp looks like, so I'm gonna assume this is the ShadowClan camp. Okay.
What kind of camp is that?
It's a weird camp, yes. Oh, we just died.
Why?
Uh,
How did we die? How the heck did we die?
think we died of thirst. Oops. Should we pay the medicine cat to revive us,
Yes, pay the medicine cat.
or make a new cat?
No, pay the medicine cat.
Pay the medicine cat. Okay.
I like this cat.
You like
Kill strike?
kill strike?
Yeah.
Um,
Kill strike. Kill strike.
just looking around. So we were up in Shadow Clan, and we oh, what's this? Just like a leaf right here. It's horsetail. We found some horsetail, and oh, it's more. So that means that we're gonna be able to. I found some more. We're gonna be able to save Lightning Paw. Oh, it's camp. It's the camp again. Oh, more horsetail. This horsetail is now just something that's showing up everywhere. Look at this.
What?
It's like the car. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, we're almost dead again. Oh no. Oh no, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Oh,
Don't die. Please don't die.
we're almost dead. Nova's Dark Pot, get out of my face. I'm trying to be like nice. Let's just take these dead mice. Get out. Get out of here.
No!
Ah!
Oh my god!
No!
Oh my god!
Horsetail!
No, that way!
Ah! We're almost dead.
We're not dead. We're not dead, I said.
So, yeah, I know, we're not done yet.
We're not be dead ever. We
Okay.
already did be dead 6 times.
6 times? We only did once.
You only go to the medicine cat about 1 time.
Yeah. Right, Dell's still there. We get to deliver all this horsetail, all this nice horsetail to her. Oh, he did it again. He did it again. Okay. What's this? Oh, we're dead again.
Why? How did we get dead? How did we get dead?
Forgot to drink again. And we almost died when the cats attacked. Should we... Let's just make a new cat.
Yes. No! Can we? No, I want to be this one. Aww. I don't want to be in the other clan. I want to be in a different clan, not the same clan.
I know, but we have to like... I don't know how we unlock it. Okay, so what cat should we be this time?
We have, let's be, can we be a medicine cat?
Okay, but
Well,
what color?
I want to be, purple.
You want to have purple eyes. Okay, what
Purple
color?
eye.
What color?
Pink. I mean, black. Black.
Black with purple eyes. Let's do a female. And what name?
Some,
Pick
lightning bolt.
lightning bolt. Okay. That's not how you spell it. There we go. But, okay, stop now. I think that that's gonna end this episode. Thunderstorm died twice, and the second time the medicine cats could not revive him. So he's dead now.
Is he really dead?
I don't know. But
What about
now we
what
have
about a
lightning
cat
bolts.
with red eyes? That's a cat with red eyes.
Now we have lightning bolts. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and subscribe and like this video, and bye!